Okay guys, it's me again. Just to show you, this is the old air filter. Okay, as you can see, it's quite dirty. This will affect obviously your running. Not that it's going to cause any real major problems, yeah, but we want good airflow into our engine. The air we give our engine gives us better performance. It makes our engine work better, you know. So realistically, I've changed the engine oil and filter, we've changed the plugs, we've done the fuel filter, and so do the air filter as well. It may only be, you know, a little bit blocked, but that little bit of blockage will lose you some horsepower. It's not going to be loads, guys. Excuse me, it's not going to be loads, but it is really important that you change it when you're giving it a service. So it's a full service. So again, all you're doing, guys, again, we've got a Bosch filter here, a Mal filter. So all we're really doing is just checking the actual size. Okay, so obviously better to do it on a flat thing. I've checked it already, but as long as it's the right size, it fits in the air box, it pops in. Okay, so to put it in the actual air box, again, it's really difficult to obviously do this with one hand, but I will try. Okay, so you're getting a bird's eye view there, guys. Okay, so it literally just pops in, and obviously make sure you don't damage it, so it fits in there nice and snug. Okay, so you can see there. Okay, so it fits in, make sure it's nice and snug and down, and then we literally just pop the top of the airbox back in and into place. Once we've got that there is a couple of clips. So there's one there, one here, one over this side there, and finally this one on this side of the airbox here. Okay, so again, make sure that is all clipped in. Okay, check it, and then just check to make sure the clips are tight onto the air hose that goes down to the single point injection. Okay, so again, make sure you check all your connections, anything that might have fallen off, pop it back in so it's in place. Okay, so everything is all good to go. Okay, yeah, so that's your air filter replaced. Old one, go in the bin, go in the box, yeah, and that's that.